Welcome back to the channel Lift On.
Let's explore today Scandi Boho, where minimalism meets free-spirited flair. In the realm of interior design, where elegance meets relaxed charm, a captivating fusion emerges, Scandi Boho. This aesthetic marries the minimalism of Scandinavian design with the free-spirited, eclectic vibe of Bohemian style, birthing a space that's both serene and expressive. It's a symphony of contrasts, where clean lines converge with bursts of color and texture, and where simplicity finds harmony with artistic chaos. The Scandinavian influence lays the groundwork with its emphasis on clean, functional design, while the Bohemian spirit introduces an effortless, collected feel, inviting a sense of adventure and individuality into every nook and cranny. The result is a sanctuary that breathes tranquility while encouraging creativity, a space that not only looks stunning but feels like a haven, where every piece has its place, yet nothing feels too polished or contrived. The allure of Scandi Boho. Scandi Boho's captivating allure lies in its remarkable knack for crafting spaces that embody both tranquility and vibrancy. It effortlessly marries the calm, minimalist ethos of Scandinavian design with the spirited, free-flowing essence of Bohemian style. This fusion births an environment that feels inherently peaceful yet exudes an undeniable liveliness, a unique equilibrium that reflects a mindful lifestyle. The beauty of Scandi Boho is its adeptness at embracing simplicity without compromising on individuality. Each curated element, from the carefully chosen furnishings to the eclectic mix of textures and patterns, contributes to a space that feels authentically personal while exuding a sense of serenity and energy in equal measure. It's an invitation to embrace a harmonious lifestyle that values both mindful tranquility and spirited expression within the confines of home. In a world teeming with rapid changes and constant motion, Scandi Boho emerges as a serene oasis, encouraging us to embrace a slower pace and revel in life's subtleties. It's an invitation to savor the beauty found in imperfections, to cherish the worn textures of a vintage rug or the weathered patina of a reclaimed wooden table. In the midst of this fusion style, there's a call to curate spaces not just for aesthetics, but as reflections of our inner selves, a canvas for self-expression where every carefully chosen piece embodies a story, a memory, or a sentiment. This design ethos isn't merely about creating visually pleasing rooms, it's about crafting sanctuaries that echo tranquility, inspiring us to pause, breathe, and find solace in the harmonious blend of styles and the comfort of authenticity. Key elements. Neutral foundations. The Scandi Boho canvas begins with a base of light-colored walls, subtle shades of whites or soft grays, creating an expansive, airy, and inviting atmosphere. These neutral tones form the foundation, akin to a blank canvas waiting to be adorned with the richness of boho elements. They serve as a calming backdrop, allowing the diverse textures, vibrant patterns, and earthy hues characteristic of Bohemian style to take center stage without overwhelming the space. This neutral starting point becomes the breathing space where the vibrant boho accents and natural textures harmoniously intertwine, fostering a serene and welcoming environment that embodies the essence of Scandi Boho design. Natural materials. Embracing nature is intrinsic to both Scandinavian and Bohemian styles. Natural materials form the heartbeat of Scandi Boho design, weaving a tale of earthy elegance and tactile allure. Embracing nature isn't just a design choice, it's a philosophy that infuses life into every corner. Picture sleek wooden furniture, each grain telling a story of its origin, complemented by the intricate beauty of rattan pieces. Jute rugs sprawled across the floor add warmth underfoot while embracing a raw, unrefined charm. Woven textiles, with their handcrafted imperfections, drape effortlessly, inviting touch and infusing the space with a sense of soulful authenticity. These materials serve as more than mere decor, they are an ode to the natural world, grounding the design in a harmonious blend of elegance and organic simplicity. Cozy textiles. In Scandi Boho interior design, the art of layering extends beyond aesthetics. It's a fundamental aspect that invites comfort and warmth into the space. Cozy textiles serve as an essential tool in creating an inviting ambience. The layering of throws, kilim rugs, Moroccan blankets, and plush cushions becomes a tactile symphony that not only adds visual depth but also introduces a sense of tactile comfort. These elements, adorned in rich hues and intricate patterns, are strategically placed to invite relaxation and casual intimacy. Picture a soft, knitted throw artfully draped over a Scandinavian-inspired sofa, complemented by a myriad of cushions adorned with vibrant colors and captivating designs. Meanwhile, a Moroccan rug anchors the room, infusing it with both texture and character. These cozy textiles not only serve as decorative accents but also beckon inhabitants to sink in, unwind, and relish in the enveloping comfort they provide, a true embodiment of the Scandi Boho ethos. Eclectic accents. Scandi Boho's essence lies in its embrace of cultural diversity and the free-spirited nature of Bohemian design. The eclectic accents within this style invite a melting pot of influences, where handcrafted ceramics from local artisans find a home beside intricately woven macrame wall hangings. Vintage treasures with their own stories to tell coexist harmoniously with globally sourced artifacts, creating a tapestry of textures and histories within a space. It's the playful mingling of these elements that infuses the home with a sense of wanderlust and a feeling of being a collector of experiences, each piece adding a layer of character and intrigue to the overall design. greenery and botanicals. Bringing the outdoors in, houseplants and fresh florals serve as the pulsating heart of Scandi Boho design, transcending mere decor to become living, breathing elements that infuse vitality and soul into the space. Lush houseplants cascade from woven macrame hangers, their verdant leaves creating a symphony of shapes and hues against the neutral backdrop. Succulents nestled in artisanal ceramic pots sit atop weathered wooden shelves, while a statement fiddle leaf fig tree stretches its branches toward the sunlight, creating a tranquil oasis within the home. Fresh florals, whether arranged in artisanal vases or tucked into vintage glass bottles, introduce bursts of color and fragrance, effortlessly evoking a sense of natural serenity that transcends the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Each leaf and petal serves as a testament to the harmonious union between the raw beauty of nature and the curated elegance of Scandi Boho design, inviting inhabitants to immerse themselves in a sanctuary of organic tranquility. Creating your Scandi Boho haven. Balance is key. Achieve equilibrium between minimalism and eclecticism. Maintain a clean, uncluttered base while incorporating expressive, free-spirited elements. Play with textures. Combine various textures, knits, weaves, furs, to create a tactile experience that invites comfort and visual interest. Mix patterns and colors. Experiment with patterned textiles, blending geometric designs with ethnic prints or floral motifs, complemented by a palette of muted tones and pops of bold hues. Embrace imperfections. Unlike strict minimalism, Scandi Boho celebrates imperfections. Handcrafted items and vintage finds with character add depth and uniqueness. Personalize and curate. Let your space tell your story. Display souvenirs, art pieces, and treasures collected on your journeys, allowing them to weave tales within your decor. Final thoughts. Scandi Boho is more than just a design trend, it's a philosophy, a celebration of the union between simplicity and creativity, inviting us to embrace a space that feels both calming and inspiring. It transcends mere aesthetics, encapsulating a mindset that cherishes the balance between functionality and artistic expression. Whether you're drawn to its soothing Scandinavian roots, with their emphasis on clean lines and minimalist forms, or its spirited Bohemian elements, characterized by vibrant colors and eclectic decor, this fusion style offers a canvas where individuality flourishes amidst serene harmony. It beckons you to curate a space that not only reflects your personal style but also embodies a sense of tranquility, fostering an environment where creativity thrives and each element tells a story of its own. We welcome your feedback in the comments on what you'd like to see in the future on the Lift On channel.
Please press like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch up on more videos. See you soon and have a good day.